Hey y'all, it's your girl Bria. Welcome back to another YouTube video. What's poppin', what's good? So today we have another fun holiday look for you. This one is a Santa hat. As you can see, this is who inspired me to do the Santa hat look. I've done it before. I've never seen hers, so I wanted to try her version. And the one that I did last year was nothing compared to what I did this year, so I feel like I upgraded myself, you know. Clap it up for me, you know. I'm doing better.
You getting better from last time. Biz getting better.
Very different lip. Usually I go for like a regular nude or clear gloss, but today I went, you know, a little bolder, you know, a little red. Very easy and simple. Once again, I try to make it easy and simple for you guys so everybody will be able to do it and accomplish this look. If you want to learn how to do this look, then just keep on watching. What's this?
What the f is this?
Who did that? Hey y'all, what's poppin', what's good? So I did my brows and I did that one eye with the liner as you're seeing now, but I ran out of space, so I had to maneuver and get some new space. So here we are. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner. I forget what it's called. I should go up and get it and see and read it and look at it, but I ain't gonna do that. But it is in the purple packaging. So yeah, basically what you're gonna do, at least for me, I have hooded eyes. So make sure when you're drawing the curved line for the top of the Santa hat, it does not go in your crease, okay? Because if it goes in your crease, you're not gonna see the hat. And if you don't see the hat, that defeats the purpose of what you're trying to do.
Let's not do that.
They may not be perfect because both of our eyes are not the same size, but yeah. And then I'm going to get the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And I'm basically going to do pretty much like a messy eyeliner. And we're just going to put it on our lash line. And then we're going to smudge it out with our finger. Seems simple enough for the white part of the fur of the hat, you know. And clearly we're going to do it on both eyes. So just dot it on and then kind of smudge it out. Just kind of blend it in so it doesn't look too harsh or too chalky. Nice and soft white. Then we're going to go back in with that black eyeliner and go over the white and connect the hat together. So it's kind of like a winged liner, like a cat eye, but a tad bit higher because you have to connect the hat. So you have to connect the top half and the bottom half. And I'm doing that with both eyes with that same black liner. Next, I'm going to get the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette with Jackie Aina, and I'm going to take the shade Wigglies, my favorite red, and we're just going to pack that on with a flat shader brush. Don't worry about getting it on the black line or getting it on the white part because we can fix that up again with black liner. You'll see that soon. But just pack it on. You don't have to, like, you know, do too much to it. Like I said, this is very simple, easy look, and that's what it should be looking like. And as you can see, I'm going over with the black liner any spots that may have gotten red eyeshadow on it. So this is what it should be looking like so far. Next, I'm going with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer to prime the face, and I'm going to use the Juvia's Place foundation stick. And this is my first time using this stick, so far I like it. I'm not even gonna hold. It's pretty nice, and I'm going to use a foundation brush to blend everything in. And I feel like it has good coverage. I wasn't trying to get too much coverage because, you know, where am I going? But I feel like it had pretty good coverage. I feel like it's medium to full. Definitely would use a brush with this. What do you think? What's happening? What do you think happening? Going in with my Born This Way concealer in the shade Chai. And I'm going to try to do this new method where I just go on the sides of my nose, underneath my eye, and then blend it out. Kind of not like how I did it in the last video. And, you know, highlight in the regular areas, nose, underneath the eyes, the chin, Cupid's bow. Y'all know the drill. And I'm blending it out with a Morphe buffer brush. It's a smaller version. And of course I mess up. I put concealer on the side of my nose. But we'll fix that later.
Ah, damn it! What the?
And then I'm going to blend in the edges with the same foundation brush that I had, just to make sure everything is all smoothed out and even. Next, I'm going in with the Morphe setting powder in this shade Translucent Rich. And I'm just doing it in the highlighting areas. And I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder in the shade Dark to set the entire face. Next, I'm going in with the Morphe Bronzer and it's discontinued. So I don't even know why I was about to tell y'all the shade, but my shade is discontinued. I think they only have like 2 left. But this is like the perfect bronzer contour shade for me, besides the Beauty Bakery ones. But yeah, I'm just using it till it runs out. Y'all know I don't really rock with Morphe, but I got all this Morphe stuff, so I'm gonna use it.
Well, obviously.
Next, I'm gonna use the ABH Blush Trio. What's the name? Berry Adore. The name is Berry Adore. I'm gonna take the blush on the cheeks. Of course, I'm going to take the blush on the nose. Next, I'm going to go back in with that white jumbo eye pencil and make the little, what is it called? The little white ball for the hat. And this is what your shadow should be looking like. Your eye look should be looking like. So far, I'm going in with the Coffee and Cocoa bronzer palette by Beauty Bakery, and I'm using the highlight shade to wet highlight in all the high points. And if I feel like I use too much, or if you feel like you use too much, remember you can go back in and dust it with, yeah, you saw what I did with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I went in with the Juvia's Place palette to use that red shade underneath the lash line. I'm using Benefit Cosmetics, their Real Mascara. Not only did I poke myself in the eye once, but my dumbass did it twice. How do I do that twice? Look, y'all. Like, how do I do that twice? I'm tripping. All right, y'all, we getting bold. This is Cherry Skies. This is the shade Cherry Skies by NYX. It is the NYX Suede Liquid Lipstick. And I used it kind of like a lip liner at first, and then I filled it in. And I'm putting a clear e.l.f. gloss over top. Could leave it matte. I didn't feel like leaving it matte, so I just put a clear gloss over top. And then I just have to change my outfit, and we all good in the hood. You heard what I'm saying? We looking good. Simple, easy. That's what I'm here for, y'all. All right, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Okay. New makeup videos every Wednesday of this month for the holidays. And I will see you Sunday for the vlog. All right. Bye, guys.